Hello, good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Children, today we are starting the topic the simple present tense, wherein we are going to see how we are going to use the verbs in the simple present tense. What are verbs? We have studied about verbs. Verbs are the doing words, है ना, जो हमें actions या जो भी हम काम करते हैं, that is considered as the verb. So verbs are doing words or action words. And when we come up to the point of tenses, there are three tenses: the present tense, जो अभी हो रहा है, present, past tense, and we have the future tense. So three tenses, we all know that. Here today we are going to study about the verbs which we are going to use in the simple present tense. Now what is the simple present tense? Simple present tense is used to describe an action that is regular, true or normal. जो चीज़ हम रेगुलरली करते हैं, जैसे हम रोज़ ब्रश करते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, सोते हैं, पढ़ाई करते हैं, ऑल दीज आर द रेगुलर रूटीन्स विच वी आर डूइंग एंड दे आर वेरी नॉर्मल, जो कि हम लोग नॉर्मली करते हैं, एंड दे आर ट्रू. सो ऑल दीज आर कंसिडर्ड as the simple present tense, and when we are describing such things we use the simple present tense to write. Now generally, how is the structure of the sentence in the simple present tense? You can see here we are using the subject, then we are adding the verb to it. जैसे हमारा सब्जेक्ट है आई, यू, वी, दे, इसके साथ हमने वर्ब ऐड किया, क्या, स्पीक या लर्न, प्लस हमारा आगे का सेंटेंस और द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, दैट मेक्स आवर कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. सो आई स्पीक इंग्लिश एट होम, यू स्पीक इंग्लिश एट होम, वी स्पीक इंग्लिश एट होम, दे स्पीक इंग्लिश एट होम. वी कैन ऑल्सो चेंज द वर्ब. स्पीक की जगह हम लर्न भी यूज कर सकते हैं. सो आई लर्न इंग्लिश एट होम, you learn English at home, we learn English at home, they learn English at home. Here we are not adding the s. We are using the verb just as it is with the pronouns I, you, we and they. We and they are the plural pronouns and I and you are the singular ones. Now with the pronouns he, she and it, which are the singular pronouns, we are adding s to the verb and then writing in our sentence. So, he speaks English at home, she speaks English at home, it speaks English at home. We can again use the other verb learn and write these sentences again. So, he learns English at home, she learns English at home, it learns English at home. So, this way, by adding the s, we are making the sentences in the present tense. Now, many a times we have to change the spelling of the verb by adding es. Here, keep into mind that we are not changing the verb from singular to plural. We are just writing or changing the form of the verb to write the sentence in the simple present tense. So, when the verb is ending with the sound of O, CH, SH, SS, X or Z, we add ES in the third person or when we are writing the sentence in the present tense. So, go. See, go के जगह हो जाएगा goes. When we add ES, when the sound is ending, the verb is ending with the CH sound, तो CH की जगह catch है, या catch ends with ch, तो ये हो जाएगा catches. ना sh साउंड में देखो wash, wash will become washes. ss साउंड में देखो kiss will become kisses. ix x साउंड में है तो fixes. z से buzzes, so go become goes, catch becomes catches, wash becomes washes, kiss become kisses, fix become fixes, buzz become buzzes. So this way we are changing the form of the verb. Then when the verb is ending with the consonant sound of y, then IES is added. अगेन यहाँ पे ये याद रखो कि हम इसको सिंगुलर प्लूरल में नहीं चेंज कर रहे हैं, वी आर जस्ट चेंजिंग द फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. तो मैरी का मैरीज, स्टडी स्टडीज, कैरी कैरीज, वरी वरीज. IES लग गया, Y हट गया और IES लग गया. Now when the vowel sound Y is there, when the verb is ending with the Y sound, then simply S is added. So play plays, enjoy ka enjoys, say says. So this way we are changing the form of the verb. Now see here, I have taken here the verb work, and let us see how we are going to write this with the sentence. I work. I के साथ क्या लगेगा? Work. You work. So with these we are writing just the simple form of the work. With the plural, with the pronouns she, he and it, we are using the verb with the S. So I के साथ हम वर्क को एज इट इज लिखते हैं. व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग इट विद द प्रोनाउंस शी, ही एंड इट बिकम्स एज वर्क्स. सो शी वर्क्स, ही वर्क्स एंड इट वर्क्स. देन व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग इट विद वी, यू एंड दे, then we again same using the base form, that is work. इसमें हम लोग s नहीं लगाएंगे. We work, you work and they work. So this way children, remember how we are using the verbs. Now here in this chart you can again see I have taken the verb as look. ठीक है. So now I look, you look, he looks, she looks, it looks, he she it के साथ हमने s लगा दिया. Then we look, you look and they look. So just remember this, that with the pronouns he, she and it, s is added, and with the others I, you, we and they, we are just writing the verb as it is. Now see this picture here. Here this lady, her name is Tomiko. What is she doing? She is cooking. So Tomiko cooks very well. So with this is a singular noun. We are using the verb cooks. S is added. Then here kids, the kids play outside in the summer. Kids is the plural noun. और यहाँ पे हमने क्या यूज़ किया है? verb का simple form play. So the kids play outside in the summer. Now here are some practice sentences. Let us see how we are going to do it. Now see the first sentence. I dash at a bank. Now I के साथ क्या लगेगा? Simple work without any change. So I work at a bank. Then she dash with her parents. अब बताओ यहाँ पे क्या लगेगा? She dash with her parents. She के साथ मैंने आपको बताया था, we add the s. Yes, very good. So she lives with her parents. Now cows dash on grass. Feed की feeds. Cows में देखो ये क्या हो गया है? Plural है. So cows feed on grass. Yes. Now the other sentence, he dash a handsome salary. He dash a handsome salary. He is the singular pronoun. So what are we going to write? He earns a handsome salary. Very good. Now Janet dash to be a singer. Want या फिर wants? What should be added here? Janet is what? Janet is a noun, singular. So Janet wants to be a singer. तो यहाँ पे wants लग जाएगा. I hope children you are all understanding the use of the verb. I will be giving you more practice sentences in the class. Thank you. Bye for now and have a nice day.